best snack for tea time. Nice. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making goreng pisang or fried banana fritters. So let's start cooking. First we'll prepare the batter for the goreng pisang. We will need 100 grams of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix up the dry ingredients first. Make sure you mix them up well. Now we will add in 15 grams of margarine. If you do not have margarine, you can use butter. Not a problem. Now we will add water to make this into a batter. Bit by bit add the water in. Give it a good stir. I'm going to create a batter that's neither too thick nor thin. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. Slowly mix the water in. So this is how we want the batter to be. So as you can see, when I leave some of the batter out and put it down, it can actually form a line before it actually sinks in. So this is what we want. I've added in 110 milliliter of water. The next thing to do is we'll cover this up and put this in the fridge for 30 minutes or so, just to make this colder, so when we fry it, it will be crispier. So I'll see you back in a while. We are now going to fry the banana. Heat up a pan of oil. Okay, by using a bamboo skewer as a gauge, if you see bubbles rising up like this, that means the oil is hot enough. We will now fry the bananas. Dip the banana inside the batter. Using your hand will be much easier. Make sure it's fully coated. Right? And then we take it out and then just gently put it inside the oil, like this. Repeat with the rest. I'm using medium heat over here. We just want to achieve a light golden brown. I'm just frying 3 whole big bananas. I've cut them into half so it's easier to handle and fry. If you would like to make more, of course you can prepare more batter. And besides banana, you can actually use jackfruit, cempedak, even tapioca, sweet potatoes, no problem. The kind of batter that I'm using over here is generally goreng pisang or fried banana that you find in our Malay stores in hawker center. This is one of my favorite snack. When you have done it properly, outside is very crispy and inside is very moist. Remember, don't turn the heat up too high. We don't want to burn them. It's almost done. By using your chopsticks or tongs, you can actually feel that the batter has hardened up already. I just want to add a little bit more color to the bananas, so I'm frying it just a little bit longer. In some stores in Singapore, especially though Malay store, they do not use very ripe banana because once you cook the bananas, it will actually ripen also. But for me, I prefer to use those ripe banana because it's sweeter and more fragrant. So once you have a very light golden color like this, you'll remove them from oil and we'll continue to fry the rest. And so the goreng pisang is done. Let's have a taste. One bite. First bite. Wow. It's like the banana pie that I get from McDonald's. It's very crispy on the outside, very sweet, very nice flavored in the inside. So I tell you, this is really, really good. I'll let you listen to the crunch again. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we make our goreng pisang. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.